Welcome to Real Talk with Robert. Today, we're talking about something that's hitting home for a lot of people. What happens if you bought a house in the last few years and now life happens? A job transfer, a divorce, or just a change in plans? And now you're thinking about selling. What does equity look like, and what are your options if it's not quite where you hoped?
We're seeing more and more homeowners who bought between 2021 and 2024 thinking about selling and realizing that equity just isn't where they expected it to be. In some areas, appreciation has slowed down, and if you bought at or near peak pricing, it may take time for your home's value to catch up.
So Robert, why don't people see more equity after just a couple of years?
Great question. Most of your early mortgage payments go toward interest, not principal. So unless you made a large down payment, your loan balance doesn't drop much at first. And market appreciation, it's not guaranteed year over year. A good rule of thumb is that it takes about 3 to 5 years before you really start to see equity gains, and longer if the market's flat. If you have to sell, don't panic. Here's what to consider. If you put a large down payment, you may still break even or walk away with a little. If you put little or no money down, it's possible you'll need to bring funds to closing. And if you're in the middle, maybe you're just barely breaking even, we can help run the numbers to see what's best.
And what about renting it out if someone's not ready to sell at a loss?
Renting sounds good in theory, but in many cases, the rental income won't cover the mortgage, taxes, and insurance, especially with higher interest rates. It depends on your location, your loan terms, and how much you still owe. We can help you look at realistic rental income versus actual costs.
So what do you want homeowners to keep in mind if they're in this position?
First, you're not alone. Life throws curveballs. Second, equity is a long game. If you can hold on, great. If not, there are still options. And most importantly, get clear numbers before making a decision. Don't guess.
Whether it's renting, selling, or staying put, knowing your options helps you make the best call for your situation. This is why conversations matter. No pressure, just real talk.
If you're wondering where you stand, equity-wise or otherwise, we're here to help you figure it out.
Thanks for watching Real Talk with Robert. Until next time.